back to the conversation we had the other day, right? It's still got to be for you, but at least now you have a foundation to build off of. She opened up the door just a little bit. That doesn't mean you attack it and fucking smother her, right? You continue to keep doing what you need to do for you, and she's going to watch and trust it. She has no reason to believe you. Like, she has no reason to trust you, believe you, feel safe, or any of that shit right this second, other than what you are going to do every single day, right? So like the fact you got what you needed, which means she's not gone. She didn't file, right? So there's still hope there, but it doesn't mean that you should just fucking smolder it, right? Like, literally just keep doing what you're doing, like we talked about, for you, because you want to be better, so that the outcome is what it is. And then if she opens up and gets that point, you're going to be stronger to hear the real truth. The way she might have said it, right? But when you actually get to hear it, when she's willing to tell you, it's going to be completely different. Now, I hadn't had to do this with a wife or a girlfriend, but I had to do this with friends and family members. And you've got to get yourself to a place of power where you can receive it, so that you don't respond back with a fuck you, right? It's about making sure that you can actually hear it, because you want what you want, that definitive outcome, which is you and her together in just a happy life. It's going to require a lot of pain and a lot of suffering to get there, but it is possible. It's not possible today. It's not impossible, but what is possible is you continue to lead from the front. And that's what you do, man.